Are you tired of dishwashing multiple times a day? Does it consume a lot of your precious time? Now, you don't need to worry. The rising smart technologies have innovated the solution for that also. It's called a dishwasher. A dishwasher is a machine designed to facilitate the automatic washing of dishes and crockery. You can make your life simpler and easier with best dishwashers. Stuff the dishes in, turn the dishwasher on, and the dishes tell you about their real face. Another key point is that while using a dishwasher, you do not need to worry about any crockery item getting damaged by falling or something. Not to mention that the dishwashers are a very efficient and time-saving products, keeping your crockery items clean, safe, and stain-free. But a normal dishwasher can be bulky and not fit in an average kitchen. For small and medium kitchens, a compact dishwasher that can be set up on a countertop could be a good idea. Countertop dishwashers also ensure water efficiency and suit small kitchens in an apartment or a recreational vehicle. Countertop dishwashers may be small, but they can fit dishes or plates used by up to 6 people. So a countertop dishwasher is in need of the time where life has become fast and people pay more attention to productivity. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best countertop dishwashers to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. HAVA Portable Dishwashers. This tabletop dishwasher only measures 16.9 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches, but has a large capacity. It can hold up to 4 full place settings as well as fit up to 12-inch dishes loaded at an angle. The storage rack as well as cutlery basket make it easy to clean top rack only items such as knives, forks, and spoons, leaving more space for dishes as well as small pots. This HAVA dishwasher has 5 wash cycle options and dry mode 5, which supports normal, speed, eco, heavy, baby care, as well as fruit modes for your various dishwashing needs. After each wash cycle finishes, an extra dry mode helps to provide an extra 60 minutes of drying and offers 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors as well as keep your dishes clean. Moreover, it has 14 water ports on the spray arms which are designed to provide both top and bottom spraying for 360 degrees cleaning coverage, rinsing your dishes thoroughly as well as giving them a sparkling clean finish. This dishwasher can reduce water consumption by 75% and save energy. In detail, this dishwasher only consumes 5 liters of water per wash cycle. Only 1/4 of the amount used when hand washing, has energy efficiency rating of an A grade as well as operates at 900 watts, making it a great energy saving choice for every family. This countertop dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes, containing a water tank mode as well as a faucet mode. Simply add water to the built-in 5-liter water tank or connect the included hose to the water inlet as well as faucet. A compact design helps it perfect for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers, RVs, and so on. Number 4. hOmeLabs HME0100339. First, if you have a small apartment or you want a compact-sized best dishwasher, then you should go for hOmeLabs. Not to mention that these days the kitchens are not that big as compared to the older ones. So for that purpose, there is not enough space for a bigger sized dishwasher. On the other hand, it also depends on the number of people living inside the house or apartment. However, if you have a small family and you do not organize some bigger events that require a bigger dishwasher, moreover, it is a countertop machine, so it will not take up a bigger space. You can easily place it on the table as well as the counter. Another key point is that it is also very energy efficient, so you are not only saving your time, but it will help you save your electricity as well. It is very easy to use as it provides you with the control panel and LED indicators. It leaves no marks on the dishes and keeps your crockery stain-free. Important to realize that it is very easy to use as well as efficient. As for the working of this dishwasher, you just need to place the dirty dishes into the washer and it will automatically clean the dishes. On the positive side, the dishwasher is user-friendly. Must remember that it has 6 control cycles which include heavy, normal, eco, glass, speed, and rinse. Above all, you can use any mode you want depending on the type of crockery you are planning on washing. Nonetheless, it is efficient as well as user-friendly, but also it is very easy to install. However, you do not need some special tools for a technician to install it. It provides you with quick connect accessories which include inlet, drain hose, and a faucet adapter to maintain the level of water. All in all, it is a compact dishwasher that can be placed anywhere you want. Furthermore, it is ENERGY STAR certified. Number 3. Danby DDW631SDB. Small countertop dishwashers are useful in this modern time where people intend to relocate quite often. It does tremendous hot water cleaning equal to full-size dishwashers. The most convenient countertop dishwasher for compact spaces with an easy connect feature. The stainless steel interior gets cleaned by itself with an auto detergent and wrist dispenser. And it can easily fit under the kitchen cabinet and take your load off hand washing. The one thing we liked about this amazing unit is its light weight. The fully stainless steel interior unit weighs just about 24 kilograms and makes it easier to move around. Certainly, this easy-to-operate dishwasher comes with 8 different settings and an LED display. It is an ENERGY STAR certified appliance with less water consumption up to 3.1 gallons per wash. A great water-saving appliance. It has an advanced spray arm with filter for utmost dish cleaning. It includes 8 wash cycles ranging from normal, rinse, heavy, glass, baby bottle, eco, and rapid. Certainly, Danby had done a great job with reducing its noise. Now, it is much quieter with a 54 decibel silence rating. This dishwasher has a 6-place capacity with silverware adjustable basket. Also has an auto detergent and rinsing agent for the ultimate cleaning. Indeed, the Danby countertop dishwasher is a must-have appliance. Now, everyone can place it in their kitchen despite the availability of the space. Being a small unit, it is affordable and does the job as it states. Best of all, if your job is movable and you shift from place to place, Danby DDW631SDB is the best countertop dishwasher to keep. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BCD6W. Adjusting regular size dishwasher is the main issue of this modern era where most of the houses and apartments have compact kitchens. A common concept is that a small dishwasher does not operate well. However, BLACK+DECKER have manufactured a countertop dishwasher BCD6W, the best in the market with 7 wash cycles. The dishwasher can adjust easily on the countertop, under the shelves, or anywhere else. It consumes less water and serves high-quality dish cleaning. Not only does it perform well, but also the manufacturer gave extra attention to its sleek design. A notable feature is that it's easy to connect with a water hose and drain to make it operational in no time. A spacious, good-quality stainless steel interior offers 6 place settings and accommodates plates up to 10 inches. It includes an extra rack for cutlery and small items. Its advanced technology child lock to protect it from getting it operational accidentally. Easy loading and unloading with slide-out dish rack and removable utensils basket. This dishwasher provides a precise and easy LED display with electronic touchable control buttons. It is hard to find a compact dishwasher with such an elegant design and highly efficient performance. BLACK+DECKER is indeed good for small business apartments and RVs. We shall definitely recommend purchasing this unit for better dish cleaning. In addition, some of the interior decorators also prefer this precious design for kitchen decor. Number 1. Farberware Compact Dishwasher. This compact design dishwasher is most convenient for small places and great value for the money. Now, people with a cramped kitchen should not worry about adjusting a good quality dishwasher. Farberware is portable and used for dishwashing in small bars, kitchens, in boats, RVs, and dorms. Farberware dishwasher is powerful and very easy to install. You can connect it quickly with adapters and accessories directly to your faucet. The stainless steel tub is exceptionally durable and slightly deeper and longer than other countertop dishwashers. As if that's not enough, having a lightweight dishwashing machine that you can easily adjust in a tiny place is a great advantage. This tiny but tremendous machine operates quietly and competitively in serving their purpose. It includes 7 different types of washing programs such as normal, heavy, baby care, glass, light, and speed wash 45 minutes. In addition, there's an extra feature of self-cleaning. This dishwasher has 6 places setting capacity and offers a wash of different types of dishes including bowls up to 10 inches diameters. There is an extra folding rack to adjust the cutlery basket. Its additional drying feature adds extra heat to dry out dishes nicely. However, this function is only available with normal, heavy, light, glass, and baby care programs. One of the best features is a child lock. Enable it and children will not be able to start the dishwasher even accidentally. Despite being a compact appliance, it is powerful and highly durable. The heavy-duty firm steel can withstand washing on a daily basis. It is easy to operate with a digital control system with LED display. It even indicates when there is a water supply failure. Now, people with compact places can own premium appliances with advanced features of a full-size dishwashing machine in a portable dishwasher. Indeed, it is a perfect buy and offers great value for the money. It is a unique machine having a child lock and self-cleaning feature that every consumer will look at in a dishwasher. Just because your tiny apartment didn't come with a built-in dishwasher doesn't mean you're stuck hand washing every plate until you move. An easy solution is countertop dishwashers. Compared to traditional full-size models, these mini dishwashers take up significantly less space in kitchen and don't require any pricey remodeling. In addition to how much time you'll save by not having to clean your dishes by hand, you'll also help the environment by conserving water. That's because Energy Star certified dishwashers use significantly less energy and water than hand washing. Does it make sense when you think about how much water literally goes down the drain even without touching the dirty dishes? So if you want to make cleaning up after dinner much easier, a countertop dishwasher is the appliance your small kitchen needs. However, getting the best countertop dishwasher is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.